Hey everyone, today we're gonna see how to bypass Smoothwall on Chromebook. Bypassing the proxy can be done in two ways. Firstly, adding the target domains or IP addresses to proxy bypass settings on the client. Adding IP addresses to the transparent proxy bypass settings on the Smoothwall. When the Smoothwall is used as a proxy only with proxy settings on the client, only method 1 needs to be used. Additional configuration may be needed on the firewall to make sure outgoing web traffic is allowed. When the Smoothwall is used for transparent proxy, then method 2. When the Smoothwall is used for both as a firewall and a web filter and proxy settings and used on the client with a transparent proxy as backup. Both methods need to be used, so firewall rules might need to be adjusted as well. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.